Good morning, all of you present over here. Today, I am Prerna from class 10th Achiever, and I am here for public speaking on the topic distribution of forest and wildlife. The forest is classified into three types. The first one is reserved forest. More than half of the total forest are reserved forests. Jammu Kashmir, Andhra Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Maharashtra have the large number of reserved forests. Now the second one is protected forest. About one third of the total forest are considered protected forest. Bihar, Odisha have the large number of protected forests. Third one is unclassed forest. The other wastelands and forests are that are owned by both government and private individuals are unclassed forests. In northeastern state and Gujarat have the large number of unclassed forests. Reserved forest and protected forest are also known as permanent forest. Madhya Pradesh has the largest permanent forest. Thank you.